let's define what MFT is properly. That's my definition. It's nobody else's definition. Okay. So when people say high frequency trading, HFT, that's something everybody familiar about. Typically, high frequency trading, we are dealing with latency of less than 1 millisecond, sometimes even nanosecond these days. So MFT, which we call millisecond or medium frequency trading, has a latency of about 1 millisecond to 20 milliseconds. That is the frequency that is relevant for, I would argue, all trade executions. Whether your holding period is 1 second, or whether your holding period is 1 week or 1 month, we are all medium frequency traders, because just because you're holding a position for 1 month doesn't mean that you can ignore the execution issue, because when you execute intraday particularly, you are in the realms of MFT, no matter how long your holding period is. You need to learn about these special order types. You need to learn about this special, the various trading venues. You need to learn about co-location, order types, optimization, and so on and so forth, in order to minimize the impact of your order, even if you're holding a position for a whole month. Just ask every large hedge fund. If they're not doing it themselves, they are hiring a specialist firm to do it for you and paying them a fee. Now, when we talk about low frequency trading, that has latency of greater than 20 milliseconds. But low frequency trading simply means that you're holding position for a long time. But when you execute, it actually is still in the realm of MFT. So latency is measured in many ways. There is computational latency, how much time it takes your program to decide which order to generate. There's order submission latency, the time between your program's order submission through the time that the exchange received your order. And then there's market data latency. That is the time between someone else's order's execution and your receiving notification of that trade. And then finally, there is order status latency. That is the time between your own order's execution and the time you receive notification of it.